Alright guys, I'm doing GPS install with logbook on an International 2023. It's an LT625, but it'll probably work for all the new ones. So you take a couple of screws, take this panel off right here, the kick panel. There's a 13 millimeter bolt. Let's see if I can find it here. A 13 millimeter bolt right here on the side, and then the rest are Torx. Then you loosen up a couple more and you pull this down. You're gonna get your 4 screws for the logbook cable, and then if you pull down this harness right here, you're gonna find a red wire on that black plug. It turns into a green, I believe, on the other side, to a white. But yeah, this red one right here gives you constant, and then I ground it right there. And then on this plug right here, this black plug, the furthest pink away from you, got it from the bottom here, furthest pink, that's your ignition. And that's it.